Hey everyone, we're back working in the shed on the caravan again today, and it's a very exciting day. We are doing the outside cladding of the caravan, which is
which is going to be awesome.
going to transform it.
And even all this has all been painted up and cleaned up. It looks unreal. He's done a top job, and we're going to be putting all of the black checker plate on. I reckon we'll get a fair bit of this done today, so it'll be a huge change for this old van.
Yep, so hang about, it's going to be good.
Yep, looking forward to it.
Okay, if you're liking our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on what we're doing. So
that's it.
Stay tuned. See you soon.
So what we're doing now is we've run all the wiring around. It's been a mission. We're just making sure we've got all the 12 volts set up. We're about to tidy up the 240 volt. Just making sure we've got wires everywhere before we sheet it all, because after that, it's not going to happen.
So I just wanted to cut in on the video here and just run through a couple of the main things that we're using when we're cladding the caravan here. One, the sealant that we're using was just a Selly's Armor Flex. So this is a sausage. You can get the stuff in the normal type of silicone gun size too if you don't have a sausage gun, but it's probably more economical to buy it like that. The checker plate we used, it's only like a 3mm checker plate. That's just the black checker plate we got from Ulrich Aluminium here in Australia. And they're quite good for all those aluminium products, extrusions and angles and things. This one here is the flat panel. So it's got like it's sandwiched, so it's got a plastic plastic section through the center of it. So aluminium either side. You can get that in white, silver, black, so yeah, that stuff's really good to use. This here is kind of like I guess you might call it like a J channel. So it fits, or goes around the corner of all of the van, so like on the edges of the van, so it fits like that. So that's the side of the van, that's the top of the van. Fits just like that. Fit it in with stainless steel screws. And then you've got your plastic infill, which is just like a plastic or rubber infill. Just slides inside that channel and yeah, covers over all of your screws and things like that, so that tidies that up. The other section that we use is just this flat one, so that sort of joins the two together. So when they meet along the sides of the van, you just got that section there that you run along. It's got grooves underneath it, so you can run your beads of silicone under there to seal it, and then yeah, screw that again with stainless steel screws, and uses that same plastic infill there. So that's pretty much all you need to do the outside. So this stuff here is a flexible adhesive that'll stick that checker plate to the side of the caravan. So once it's bonded on there, it's super strong and it will not come off, especially when you fit the trims to it and screw all that in.